Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna doing
a slime video
with my best friend Muskan.
Yep.
Okay, so you need this kind of cups, activator, glue, and this glue. And we need a fork that I'm gonna use the end of it. So you can make it.
So first we're gonna start with the Elmer's white glue. So we're gonna open the lid. You can use any kind of cup. You can use plastic, metal, you can use any kind of cup. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna squish it down the bowl. Or actually, if you make it easier, let me do it for you.
No, don't open the glue.
I'm gonna open the whole glue.
And your hand's gonna be sticky.
So we added the Elmer's glue, the white Elmer's glue.
Can we not put?
That's enough.
That's too much.
No, it isn't. No. So after that, we're gonna add the Elmer's glitter glue. You can buy it from any shop, any store. You can order it. You can get any color, but we got this color. So we're gonna add it. Just need to get it down the thing. So after that, we're using the Elmer's activator.
You better go.
It's a magic something something. Add a little bit. Oh my god, this stinks so badly. That's enough. So we mix it. So we're gonna mix it up. You have enough.
Not enough on my activator.
Fam, we're gonna buy more. Okay.
You have to buy it.
So after we mix it, we're gonna try to make it not to be sticky. So we're gonna have to mix it really, really good, and we're trying to make the color a light blue. So it has to look like a really. It does not.
It should not look like this.
So you have to really mix it, get into the slime.
And if it doesn't activate, you have to put more activator.
You have to put more activator to get into a good like amount of thing. So it doesn't have to be sticky or anything like that. So as you can see, this is really sticky. So you have to add more activator. So we're gonna add more activator. Gonna mix it up a little bit more because this is. I think we need a little bit more. Well, that's enough. Yeah, that's enough. Because I don't want to get it too. We don't want to get it too much. Sticky.
You don't want to make it too stiff.
You don't want to make it too stiff, too sticky. So you want to make it the right amount. So you have to make. You need to make it the right amount to make a slime. So yeah. Bye guys. Hope you have amazing.